YouTube, what's going on? It's VW Jeff here. Just wanted to show you guys this new trailer that I purchased. Got it about a month ago. It's a Cargocraft Elite V 18 by 7. Bought it for the side-by-side. I sold the motorcycles. Got rid of all those. Wife didn't ride on the back. Figured we'd get something that the two of us could enjoy. So I'll show you that here in just a moment. This unit, of course, is red, as you can see. It's kind of wavy. I wish I'd have got a thicker aluminum skin, but hey, it is what it is. It serves its purpose. It's got outside flow vents, one on the top corner here, and then there's another one along the back side down there. On the other side, the unit does have two windows that open. They're tinted. You can see it is equipped with air conditioning. It's got the blackout package, the black diamond plate all the way around it, triple tube tongue. It's one of the reasons for getting this trailer was that tongue. I've seen online a lot of the frames are bending up here with a lot of load. Not that I'm putting a lot of load in it, but yeah, so one of the main reasons for getting it. So let's get this thing opened up. It is wired with 110. It is possible to hook up shore power to the unit. I'll get this opened up here in the back. You can see what the motorcycles were replaced with. Really easy open gate. One finger all the way down. Unit does have a Nudo floor. And we sold the bikes and we got a Honda Talon live valve. So this is what we're rolling right now. Got the Blackstone in the back. We can camp in this unit. It is fully insulated, aluminum walls, 110 outlets. These are the load level lights. If I flip the switch, we got battery power here. You can see the load level lights come on. I got this unit over here from Summit Racing to hold the helmets with the goggles. It's made by Pit Poise Motorsports. It is US made. So that was a big thing for me. It's got two strip lights here on the top. Those are LED, but they work off the 110 unit. You can see the air conditioning unit. And we do have some puck lights up here in the corner. So I'll take you around the front side here and show you some more. Really love the unit. Pulls nice with the truck. I have a 21 Titan Pro 4X. And it works out really good. So inside the unit here, you can see I did some work. I did install a countertop along the top side here. This is electrical conduit tubing. I filled it with hot sand to get it bent because it is straight when you buy it over at Lowe's. And I just put some caulking here on the side. It didn't quite bend too good right there, and I tried to burn it a little bit with the torch, handheld propane torch, but it got a little warm, turned brown, whatever. Don't care. Got a can holder here with the paper towel dispenser. Works really good. Got this mounted to the wall. It's nice and secure. Bought some Gladiator cabinets. They were on sale at Home Depot. I got one with an opening there, and then of course the one without. And we can put some stuff inside here. You can see I got a fan. I think on the other side here I got all the stuff for the mountain bikes when we go out. So the shoes, the helmets, all that stuff. Water bags, camelbacks as we call them, I guess. Get that closed up. Another Pit Poise shelf here. This shelf actually folds up and stores away, which is really nice, but it also acts as another shelf for us to do things. I got a 700 watt microwave. Got a 700 watt, kind of small, because I installed a 1000 watt Renogy power inverter for off the grid stuff. I have a Renogy lithium battery inside here. We also installed a Renogy 50 amp solar panel. Got all that wired up. Wire actually runs along the back side. All the wires join up inside with eyelets around the back side here. We got another Gladiator cabinet. Inside here I got some 1-ply toilet paper, a couple tools. Got a lock for the side-by-side. If we're out, I can lock it to the side of the trailer. Inside here's the 30 amp shore power, and then of course I got another Pit Poise deal there to hold the cable, the electrical cable, and that runs through the hole there in the floor. Put this trim, aluminum trim here. Got that at Home Depot. Cut it out real nice. Got it all bolted up. Got an Iceco 12-volt refrigerator slash freezer. I don't have it plugged in right now, but it's plenty big to keep things cold. It'll run off 110 or 12 volt. So again, keep us we go off grid a little bit. You know, we got some place to put some food, some storable goods and stuff like that. Got an electric porta potty here. It's got a 5-gallon fresh water tank and I believe a 6-gallon wastewater. Works really good. Climb over the bikes here. So you pop this up. It's got a little blue button there on the top. When you press the blue button, there's a pump that runs. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. What that does is it does the water. On the side over here, a little lever you pull. It opens up this deal here. And of course, all your stuff dumps in there. All the bad stuff. I did a Gladiator rack up top here. Got the bike pump for the wheels on the mountain bikes. The brown bag there, we got a big aluminum table and then 2 folding chairs. And then a bungee cord, of course, to hold them to the Gladiator rack with the mounting stuff. Stuff ain't going nowhere. We just took the unit up to Cedar City, Utah from Las Vegas, and nothing in here was moving around, so that was good. Of course, we got the side-by-side AC unit. Bought this over here, Pit Poise again. Got a little deal here to hold the fire extinguisher. Bought a Pit Poise broom holder, Pit Poise gas can. Put gas in for the side-by-side of the truck, whatever, you know, in case we ever run out. So yeah, this is the unit. I'll flip on these lights here and see they turn on. Everything's off the battery right now. The solar panel's keeping everything charged, so we'll flip the outside lights on here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the sun, but they turn on as well. I'll turn them off. So overall, really nice unit. I got it over at Trailer Place in Texas and used U-Ship to get it out here. Again, really nice built unit. Really like it. Highly recommend. Yeah, any questions, comments, let me know in the comments below. Any questions on where I got anything for the unit, you know, don't hesitate to ask. And you guys all take care. And we'll be talking to you soon.